Before you start building jobs and submitting draws, there are a few things worth configuring in your organization settings. This tutorial walks you through everything you need to set up before your first job. To get to settings, click your name or avatar at the bottom of the sidebar and select Settings from the menu. This can also be accessed by clicking on your avatar in the top right and selecting Settings. You'll land on the Profile tab by default. This is your personal information, your name, time zone, and default hourly rate. If you'll be logging billable hours, set your default rate here as well. Below your profile information, you'll find your adopted signature. This is your digital signature used to sign estimates and draw applications. Type your name, confirm the preview looks the way you want it, and click Adopt Signature. You'll use this every time you sign a PDF on the platform, so set it up before you start. Next is for owners and admins only. Click over to the Organization tab. Start with your organization name and upload your logo. This appears on your PDFs, including your AIA, billing documents, and lien waivers, so make sure it looks right before you start generating paperwork. Below that, fill in your organization address and contact information. Your address and contact details pull directly into your G702 payment applications and other documents, so accuracy here matters. Scroll down and you'll find two important toggles for construction teams. AIA billing. Enable this if you'll be submitting G702 and G703 draw applications. This unlocks the draw application workflow inside your estimates. Standard invoicing. Enable this if you'll be billing clients with standard invoices instead of or in addition to AIA draws. You can have both enabled at the same time. Turn on whichever billing methods apply to your organization and save. Finally, click over to the Payments tab. If you want your clients to be able to pay invoices directly through the portal, this is where you connect Stripe. Click Setup Payments and follow the Stripe onboarding flow. Once your account is approved and active, contractors and owners can pay invoices without leaving the portal. That's everything you need to configure before your first job. Once your logo is uploaded, your address is set, your signature is adopted, and your billing methods are toggled on, you're ready to start building estimates and jobs.